In any water distribution process, water first goes through a series of treatment stages between its source and the consumer's tap. After the water has been cleaned, it often gets put into storage tanks to await use. When used as a source of potable water, tanks offer unique challenges. For example, water that has gone through full treatment before being stored can decline rapidly in the tank depending on detention time, ambient temperature, organic matter, biofilm, and types of inorganic and organic sediment in the tank. When this happens, stored water must be recleaned, mixed, or flushed to waste. As a critical component in water distribution systems, tanks require maintenance to assure that they are clean and usable. No matter which materials they're constructed from, all tanks can degrade from lack of maintenance. Concrete breaks down. Metal tanks corrode from failed coatings and microbiologically induced corrosion, and all tanks are exposed to increased levels of biofilm and scale over time. Because water storage tanks are usually remote from the rest of the water treatment process, they tend to be ignored until there is a problem. Like other parts of water treatment, a lack of maintenance can result in costly system shutdowns, prolonged and expensive maintenance and repair projects, and continued threat to public safety through unsanitary water. The AWWA Manual of Water Supply Practices suggests that all metal storage tanks be drained, cleaned, inspected, and disinfected every 3 years. Regulations regarding tank maintenance vary, with some states requiring cleanings between every 3 to 5 years. Systems which follow strict coliform rule compliance guidelines may require cleanings to take place more frequently. Facilities that monitor the disinfection levels of the water coming in from tanks and other storage structures can easily determine if cleaning is needed. While continual monitoring of water conditions can be costly, they also represent a great investment for utilities. After all, the cost of unnecessary tank maintenance, coupled with expensive system downtime, is significant. However, tank cleaning solutions that rely on manual scrubbing and high-pressure power washing of tank walls to remove biofilm also often end up roughing up the surface of the tank, which creates new areas of adhesion for future biofilm communities. Also, while a power washed or scrubbed surface may look clean to the naked eye, these approaches rarely destroy all the bacteria which create the biofilm in the first place, and the colonies can quickly reform. The best approach for continued tank maintenance and cleaning is to treat the tanks with chemicals which clean the biofilm completely from all surfaces while also inhibiting any future regrowth. At Blue Earth Labs, our Top Ultra product is a formulation that removes both organic and inorganic deposits from the surfaces of storage tanks and basins. The use of Top Ultra reduces chlorine demand and can reduce the creation of disinfection byproducts while extending the lifetime of tank surface coatings. By using a spray-on and wash-off process that can be accomplished in just a few hours, the treatment results in complete removal of biofilm and bacteria, sanitation of the tank surfaces, and longer time between needed future cleanings. Once the tanks have been cleaned, the waste is neutralized and can then be flushed from the tank to waste treatment. After that, tanks can be refilled with potable water, which will stay potable for a long time. Blue Earth Labs, the science of safe water.